नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हाउ आर यू? आई होप यू आर सेफ एंड फाइन एट होम. So today we are going to start our topic Judiciary, Civics chapter 5. Now looking at the topic Judiciary, first word which comes in our mind is Judiciary यानी कि court, something related to court, something related to crime. Again a shock. Judiciary topic inside itself shivers our body, something related to court, crime, criminal, jail, all these things. But basically, when we are talking about our topic judiciary, judiciary is an organ of the state. It is a organ of the state. Organs, you know, it is a part of our body. Similarly, judiciary is also an organ of a state. It is a very important concept in our democracy. Democracy in India, maybe in any other feature using democratic government. Judiciary plays a very major role in this democratic politics. Why we need a judiciary is to live a very peaceful and prosperous life in our society, easy development and smooth functioning always is backup or supported by the concept of judiciary. Now what is judiciary doing? Judiciary follows the rule of law. Rule of law means mechanism of courts. Mechanism means how the court or how our judicial system works. If the judicial system which is maintained by us moves smoothly, then we are at the safe hands. Otherwise, what is the mechanism of courts? Our court actually performs various types of functions which are definitely useful for us to lead a peaceful and harmonious life. Plus, when we talk about the concept of equality, this judiciary helps us to assist to that topic also. Now, what is the function of judiciary? When we are talking about judiciary, we also wanted to know what judiciary does for us. Why should we follow this topic or concept of judiciary? First, judiciary dispute resolution. Dispute can be of different types when a person quarrel with each other, fight, war or any cases. Disputes can be between citizens. Disputes can be between citizens, different governments, state governments, and sometimes disputes can also happen between center and state governments. Disputes in the sense maybe some issues which they don't agree. Sometimes the state government is agreeing to a point where central government defines that it is not a safe side for the citizen of the country. At that time, they knock the door of the judiciary to resolve their problems or disputes, you can say. Second concept, judicial review. Review to look, to see. Judicial review, it means for suppose our constitution has passed some law which have not been so profitable as expected. Our constitution builds some law. For example, there is a law which says to wear helmet is compulsory. Now wearing helmet is compulsory. It is a good law passed by our constitution because helmet is act as a safeguard which protects our head in case of injury during an accidental event. It is a safe side. Now making it compulsory, I am happy that government has done this. Now the case comes when we talk about a sick person. Can he wear a helmet? Now the question arises, a sick have to wear a helmet. This is a law. Now how can we punish him? We can't punish. The law has been passed. A sick has to wear a helmet. A person has to wear a helmet so that it safeguards the person in case of any accidental injury. This is done compulsory. I am happy with it. Now again the law has to be modified because my concept is to protect to safeguard myself from the injury. So I can modify my law by saying my concept is to safeguard the person from injury. If a sick man is there, he is wearing turban, so he is safe. So I can modify, a government or a judiciary has judicial review. It can modify or cancel any law which they find in some case not profitable or proving it to be a demerit to our society. Coming to the next, upholding the laws and enforcing the fundamental rights. You are very well familiar with the concept of fundamental rights. We know our constitution has provided 6 fundamental rights, and we are very much able and confined to follow these fundamental rights. No one can deny us by following these fundamental rights. Now if somebody does, then what is the solution of this problem? The solution is again with our judiciary. When we are having right to equality, it means we have to follow right to equality. We cannot discriminate or differentiate between society, between social groups, between rich and poor, between gender, man and women, between religion, between caste. When Constitution has given the concept of equality, if anybody is violating that law, we can very well approach the judiciary. We are easy. We can approach because someone has violated us for not following our fundamental rights. Now what is an independent judiciary? You are having the word independent. We all know what is independent. Azad. If I am having the power to follow my functions, follow my office roles, and my independence is booked out, then how can I follow my functions? It means I am having a dining table with lot of different desserts and eatables, and I feel them yummy. मुझे खाने को बहुत कुछ सामने टेबल पर नजर आ रहा है, but look what happened. My hands are tied. मेरे दोनों हाथ टाई कर दिए, बांध दिए, and they ask me, you can enjoy the desserts and lot of dishes on your table. How can I enjoy these only with looking of my eyes or something to taste? When I am not having the independence to taste them, my hands are tied out, how can I enjoy the meals? So when an office has been granted to me, I need the independence also. Now independence in the sense, giving an example of the independence, in your book the example is given that there is no influence of the muscle. It means the judiciary are not under the government. No governmental officer, no major politician, powerful politician can turn the sentences or turn the judgment of the courts. No money power should influence the court judgment. No leader quality should influence the court judgment. For example, there is a parking zone in a college. A girl parks her scooter in a no parking zone. You know, no parking zone means you cannot park any scooter or any vehicle at that particular area. Still the girl parks her scooter in no parking zone. One of her friends asked her, why are you parking in a no parking zone when there is already written that it is not a place to park? Still the girl parks on the condition what? She says, oh, never mind. My father is a politician. Now, politician, oh my God, such a powerful man. No problem. You can park scooter anywhere, even in the center of the road, because your father is a politician. It means what? Judiciary is a toy in the hand of a politician. Is it so? When we are talking, they are not under the government, and the girl says, my father is a politician and I can do whatever I feel like. Now my question again is our judiciary independent now? We have to think, really think. Coming to money, corruption, bribe. We can bribe any court judgments and change the sentence or the punishment. Money, the basic need of human being. We feel great. Leadership quality. If I am having a good muscle power, very much of leadership, my casteism is there. मेरे साथ मेरी जाति के बहुत सारे लोग जाते हैं लड़ने के लिए, and I says no, I don't follow your rules and protocols. I am against your judgment. What you do? Damage the property, use your muscle power, and again turn the judgment. Now, what is independent judiciary again? So, independent judiciary is when we follow the rules of the constitution equally, whether you are a president, prime minister or any politician plus an ordinary man. Rule of law says whatever post designation you have, you are equal and the same concept in the position of under the eyes of our constitution, our law and our judiciary. Other than this, what they do, it ensures that there is no misuse of power in legislature and executive. Coming to legislature, legislature an organ of the government which is parallel to judiciary and executive. It formulates the law. Now, when legislature has the authority of formation of law, it doesn't mean it can misuse the power of the law. No, it cannot. Similarly, executive is again an organ of the government. It doesn't mean executive means execution of law. When the law is formulated, we execute the law to the whole country so that everybody comes to know what law has been formulated. Executive again does not have the authority to misuse its power. The organ has its own criteria. You cannot pass or overlap that criteria. Our government has given a definite office, a definite department to legislature, executive and judiciary. These three cannot interrupt or interfere in their matter. But judiciary always has a check on the working of legislature and executive so that they don't misuse their